How to fix Cash App unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can fix if Cash App says unable to purchase Bitcoin at this time whenever you're trying to purchase some type of coins. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to purchase Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies from your Cash App such as ATM and it simply says unable to purchase Bitcoin, one of the primary reasons that this happens is because you've not verified your identity on Cash App. So when you've not verified your identity on Cash App, your features such as trying to sign into your account or just trying to buy Bitcoin is actually limited. So you want to make sure that is not the case. Other than that, what also this reasons why this happens is due to your internet connection. So basically you're trying to purchase something but it gets failed due to an internet connection error. I want you to relaunch the Cash App application, then go ahead and simply try to change your Wi-Fi network, or if you have cellular data, try to switch to cellular data to see if that actually solves your problem. If it doesn't, then we're going to move on to the process of verifying identity. Just open up Cash App, you'll find the Bitcoin icon from the bottom right, and when you basically tap on the Bitcoin icon, you'll see the Get Started button. When you tap on it, you should be able to follow the on-screen instructions such as entering your driver's license, your passport, your visa, or whatever else you have in order to just go ahead and then verify your identity on Cash App. And after that, you should be able to successfully purchase Bitcoin. Now the other thing that you also have to keep in mind is that make sure you have enough balance in your Cash App account, or maybe make sure you have enough balance from your bank account or whatever else, because if you don't have enough balance, that could be the second reason why you're not being able to purchase Bitcoin. Hope this video helped you answer the question. If it did help you answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.